Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a Blackstone griddle. Properly seasoning your griddle is the foundational step, creating a natural non-stick surface and preventing rust. Begin by applying a very thin layer of high smoke point oil, like flaxseed or avocado, across the entire surface. Heat the griddle until it begins to smoke heavily, then let it cool slightly before repeating this process 3 to 4 times. This builds up a durable, dark finish, ready for delicious meals. Achieving the correct griddle temperature is incredibly important for perfect results every time. You should always preheat your griddle to a medium heat setting, aiming for around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Additionally, it is vital to always add a thin, even layer of cooking oil, such as vegetable or canola, just before you place your food down. This prevents sticking and helps create that wonderful, crispy crust. Mastering a few cooking techniques will elevate your griddle meals significantly. Utilize different heat zones across your griddle, keeping one side hotter for searing and another cooler for gentle cooking. For items like smash burgers or quesadillas, apply firm but brief pressure to maximize direct surface contact. Avoid the common mistake of overcrowding your griddle, as this ensures even cooking and better browning. Remember to only flip foods once they easily release, indicating a perfect crust has formed. Cleaning your griddle immediately after cooking is a simple yet crucial ritual for its longevity. While the griddle is still warm, use a robust scraper to efficiently remove any lingering food debris and excess oil. For more stubborn bits, carefully pour a small amount of water onto the warm surface to steam them loose, then scrape again. Finish by wiping the surface thoroughly with a paper towel and applying another very thin layer of cooking oil to protect it. For long-term griddle care, regular maintenance is key to enjoying it for many years to come. Consider re-seasoning your griddle every few months or as needed to maintain its excellent non-stick properties. Always store your griddle in a dry, protected place, ideally under a cover, to prevent any moisture accumulation. Promptly inspect for and address any rust spots with steel wool and a quick re-seasoning. Proper care ensures your Blackstone remains a reliable cooking companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.